Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. DelosReyes. What I will be discussing tonight, it's the finished assembly already. What I did, guys, is I got an FM receiver here. Supposed to be the operating voltage is 3 volts. I am pissed off with the operation of this one by using the battery because the battery don't last long. So this is the terminals that usually goes to the battery. So what I did, guys, is I tried to power up this one by using a USB charger. This is the USB charger. Okay. The output of this USB charger is around 5.1 volts because supposed to be this is the charger for cell phones, and actually the voltage for cell phones are 3.7 volts. The charging voltage of this one is 5.1. So 5.1 could actually charge a 3.7 volt battery cell phone. And this is that 3.7 volts, it's not too far from the 3 volts being used by this FM receiver. So actually we could input a 5.1 here, and this FM receiver will not be damaged because if we try to charge the cell phone battery, the output of the charger is actually 5.1, and the cell phone will be charged to a maximum of 3.7 volts. So 3.7 is actually not too far from 3 volts. That's more than good enough not to burn the FM receiver. Okay, so what I did, guys, instead of using a 3 to 1.5 volt battery, I used to operate this one now by using a cell phone charger. Okay, the output of this FM receiver is actually coming out from this what do you call this audio jack here, and this audio jack is connected to my soundtrack. This is my soundtrack. So if I will try to operate this FM receiver, I will be placing it here on the side. Okay, and if I will try to plug in this one, I'll try to plug in now. I will try to see if it really operates. As you can see, the FM receiver is now powered up. This is the audio output. It goes to my what do you call this Bluetooth speaker or Wi-Fi speaker, Bluetooth speaker. So if I will try to operate this one by using a power supply that came from the assembled or the connected, because I do the assembly of this one a while ago. I didn't show you anymore because there are a lot of garbage things, or the table is not so good to look at while I am doing this one. So I will just show the finished product. So this is the connection of the FM receiver that goes to the USB charger. So from now on, I will be operating this FM receiver by using this USB charger. Okay. This is the output of this one is 5.1, and it could power up at 3 volts. it might not damage the FM receiver because actually 3.5, 3.7 is good enough to power up this one. Because sometimes even though the voltage of the batteries are 2.5, this FM receiver are still operating. But so if we go beyond 3 volts, it still will be working and it will not be damaged. So actually we could use this USB charger. And to test if this FM receiver, it's working now because this is tuned to an FM channel. Okay, I just muted the Wi-Fi speaker, and if I will try to operate now, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's it. I just test that the FM receiver works with this USB charger. Okay, that's it. So from now on, I will be operating this FM minute receiver by using this USB charger. I will not be using anymore any battery. So actually, it's a pain in the on the money side if we always try to buy what you call this a battery. Okay, because most of the things that I assembled over here, I make my own power supply. So I was thinking that better yet I will replace the 3-volt battery here by using a USB charger because it will work with the USB charger. Okay, that's it, guys. What I have shown you tonight is that I replace the 3-volt battery of the FM receiver by using a USB charger. Okay, a cell phone charger. The output of this one is 5.1. The voltage needed by this FM receiver is 3 volts. It's just fine. Okay. Anyway, the power output of this one is not so big. So even though it is more than 3 volts, it will not destroy the FM receiver. Okay, that's it, guys. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor DavidJDelosReyes. My FM receiver is now powered up by a USB cell phone charger because I don't want to use anymore the battery. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles.